going to tell us about this dish?
Well, you see, this is definitely not vegan. What we did, we covered the pan with bacon all over. Then we chopped up some garlic, chopped up some onion and mushrooms. We mixed it with ground beef, and now we put ground beef over the bacon, and then we made it like a bowl. So we put it on the sides on the floor. Then we cracked open this iguana egg. No, I'm joking. It's actually an ostrich egg. Then we put it in, and now we're putting bacon over that.
Some cheese.
And some cheese. And I think we should put some more mushrooms on top.
Just to make it vegetarian friendly, you know what I mean?
No, that's not gonna help, Ollie. On the side, yeah.
Jock is just chilling here, eh? And this thing is smelling good. So have a look inside.
God, it smells so delicious. Blow it off.
What's happening, Jeff?
Well, we're checking it again. We checked it like an hour ago, and then we put the coals underneath it because we were worried that the bottom wasn't cooking properly. But now we think it's okay. So now it's gonna be bubbling.
Oh my god! My word, that is looking
I think
good.
we should leave it now, eh?
I think we need cheese now.
Okay. No, flip it onto the. What about the lid? Too small. No. Huh? Yo. Insanity. Ollie.
So what did you do? Potato,
Onion, garlic, mushroom, bacon, mint, ostrich egg, more bacon.
Bit of bite, bro.
Pretty good.
Not bad. Not bad. Okay. We are out here looking for cell phone service. Jess and I are here, Aiden's in the distance, in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Yes, Jeff! Okay. On the second climb now. Check out that road down there. That's where we've been. Now we're going up here. And it's not that pleasant. See the view in the background. Running up this hill. I think we're nearly there. The desert cats, they told us, look for this pile of sand. So we're looking for a pile of sand now. Because apparently that's where you get the best reception. Jeff is vlogging.
I'm vlogging for you here, bro.
How are you vlogging?
Vlogging for you.
Jeff vlogging for me.
Yeah.
Check out these mountains. Crazy. Views for days out here. And the air is fresh. Speckboom Alley. Is that what it's called?
Speckboom, yeah. Did you know? Interesting fact here. Nature with Jethro. The speckboom. Okay, so usually trees let off. Okay, we'll follow with your technique. Trees give let off oxygen all day round. So they give off oxygen day and night. That's why the air is so fresh here. Where's the service? There's a kid said like raspberry service.
Maybe I have to stand on the ground.
You mean sand?
Sandbox. We got it, boys. 4G, let's go.
It's also just like the Top Gun movie, you know, like the when they play and it's like that. Yo! Danger zone!
Bro, where's Aiden? Yes. Okay, so we're starting off today with a hike through the ravine up to the top of one of the mountains here. It's pretty cool. I've been walking for like 45 minutes and I've just been snapping some B-roll of Aiden and Jethro. And there's a fly on the lens. Oh my. Check at that view. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk to the top. Busy walking now, and Jock, say hey Jock, the dog that comes to stay, that lives here, like comes and visits all the houses all the time. We've been walking for like an hour now, and I just stop for a little break, and Jock comes, and he comes running up the hill.
Because we thought this was the top. We were all excited. And then we could see that stairway to heaven going up the mountain there. So it turns out we have a lot more walking to do.
Busy climbing the stairway to heaven. Check it. This thing is steep. I don't know how this Jack Russell's doing it. This thing's old, bro. I think we are at the top. What do you reckon, Jet? We made it. So we made it to the mountain and we actually got a bit of cell phone service up there. So I just sent a couple messages and then yeah, we're on our way back down. The path goes down here and then all the way along that ridge there. It's quite cool, like checking into the valley there. Got a now like the clouds have burned off. It's getting really hot now. I just put some sun cream on, as you can see. And yeah, should be good. We descend in here, and it is steep, and we are going like halfway down the mountain. We're not even halfway down yet. Sure, and the path is down there. It's getting fun, it's getting warm also, and there's no shade. Yes, we've just come down that whole mountain there, and it took a long time. It doesn't look big, but that thing is tall. We're near the road now, and then we got like another 5k's on the road, I reckon.
I love you on an island to the south. Oh, will I crumble? Oh, will I lay down? No, no. I will survive.
We made it, boys.
I hope you have an amazing day. Lots of love from Jeff, Ollie, and Aiden. Bye.